I guess what I like most about architecture is making buildings. That's the impulse that I had. Initially, I always felt that the job of an architect was to make buildings.
We really have no limit to what we'll do. The goal from the client's perspective is to produce, and our perspective is to produce the best quality project we can.
Architect-led design build for us is that single source responsibility.
To take ownership of design, of construction, of the budget, of the schedule.
The logical extension of that is to also do the upfront development end of it.
Development is the kind of inspirational part, how it starts, what its needs are, where it is, how it's built. It also allows us to think about projects that might not ever come our way as architects and even as builders. For example, we're committed to doing affordable housing.
The great thing about the affordable housing in Aspen, Little Ajax Housing, was that we, in that case, put the deal together. We're the developer, found the land, designed the building, worked with the city, built it, and it was a turnkey project for the city.
And our broker said, this is kind of a difficult site. And I said, really? Difficult, that sounds good, because a lot of times difficulties are opportunities. And specifically on that site, the real opportunity is that it's a slope site. It slopes more steeply as you go to the back. We dug into the hillside. We were able to really bury the parking so you didn't see it, and at the same time provide covered parking, which is really an amenity. It created different levels so that on the back side of the apartment units, you actually had a garden level. So it actually afforded tremendous opportunity. A lot of times when developers are building a project, that's what they need when they're looking at sites, when they're trying to evaluate what they're going to do, whether or not they can make money on a project. They need to, first of all, see what can fit on a site, and that's what we do. And then second of all, they want to try to figure out what it's going to cost to build a project. And that's also something that we do every day. And so the extension of that is really just having the wherewithal to really find potential projects.